How to turn on direct messages, previews, notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on direct messages, preview, notifications on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile, and here in the top corner you will find this three lines. Click on it, and after that just click settings and privacy and scroll down until you find this one, push notifications, and here you will find it. Here you will find direct messages, preview, notifications, settings. Then just turn it on by one click and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.